Hi there, this is Penelope from Martinborough Manor. Quick tutorial today on how easy it is to set up your planting calendar. Now, this is the first page that you should look at once you've purchased it, and it's the Start Here page because this is the page that actually controls everything in your planting calendar. Now, the first thing you need to put in is the frost-free first freeze date. For us, that's May the 5th, and it doesn't matter about the year. Now, we plant our seeds to germinate in an unheated greenhouse, an unheated tunnel house. So if that is what you are doing, then to get everything to line up, then you need to, as it says here in red, in the last frost date, you need to subtract 30 days. So for us, our last frost date is actually October the 15th, most years, so our average. But to get everything lined up without having to do the editing twice, if I subtract 30 days from October the 15th and enter September the 15th, then I get both the unheated greenhouse starting dates and the direct sow starting dates correct. Now, just a quick look at what you get once you've done the dates. Remember, those are my dates. They're not the dates necessarily for your area. Then to find out what I can plant, quick look into there. And for planting number 1, I can plant a lot of those things in August the 1st. Some things I can't. I have to leave till September. And then for us, there are lots and lots and lots of successions, planting 1, planting 2. For some things, we can get up to planting 6 times. You possibly won't be able to, depends where you live. Okay, that's how it works.